Have you ever stopped to think about the immense power that resides within you, a force that you might be unknowingly wasting? The reality is that this internal energy has the potential to completely transform our lives, fulfill our desires, and even connect us with higher forces. What's even more alarming is that many people trade this priceless energy for fleeting moments of pleasure. If this makes you think, hit that like button now. What I'm about to share could radically change your life. Would you like to discover how to harness this energy? In the fascinating world of Taoism, there's an ancient concept known as Jing, which represents the fundamental essence of human existence. Jing isn't just a physical element, it's the vitality that sustains our lives, as crucial as the air we breathe. According to ancient Taoist wisdom, with every ejaculation, a portion of this precious essence is lost. This doesn't only affect our physical well-being, but also limits our ability to grow in all areas of life. Imagine a machine trying to run without oil. It's just like that. Our bodies cannot perform at their highest level if we are constantly draining this energy. Taoists believe that preserving this essence could open the door to elevated levels of awareness and allow a deeper connection with the universe. It wasn't just about avoiding physical pleasure, it was about redirecting that energy towards a higher purpose, spiritual growth. By mastering the art of conserving Jing, you not only maintain your vitality but also enhance your mind and spirit, creating a pathway to the divine. This is where transformation begins. What you're about to learn goes beyond simple theories. It's about how this energy can radically alter your life. And if you're already intrigued, just wait until you hear what actually happens within your body each time this energy is wasted. Semen, although common, is far from ordinary. It is a fluid filled with complexities and incredible power. Before we continue, I'd like to ask a small favor. If you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow and bring more content like this directly to you. Each drop of semen contains a potent combination of over 200 types of proteins, along with essential vitamins such as B12, C and Qi, and critical nutrients like calcium, sodium, fructose, and citric acid. These components are not random, they are fundamental to the creation of life. So, when you ejaculate, you're releasing from your body a rich supply of nutrients that not only have the power to create new life but also to enhance your own vitality. But the true power of semen goes far beyond its physical composition. There's something much deeper at play. Semen isn't just a fluid, it carries an essential energy. This energy is your creative force, the highest potential of your being. Every time you release it unconsciously, you're discarding a piece of both your creative and spiritual power. Imagine holding a key that unlocks the doors to your evolution, yet choosing to throw it away for a fleeting moment of pleasure. But what if you preserved this energy instead and channeled it towards your dreams, your goals, and your spiritual growth? While this may seem like a simple shift, the effects can be profound. Now, are you ready to truly understand what happens in your body when you waste this energy? The impact of excessive masturbation goes far beyond mere physical depletion. Each time you give in to this impulse, a series of effects begin to unfold, directly limiting your ability to live a full and conscious life. So one of the most significant consequences is the desensitization of dopamine receptors. What does this mean in practical terms? Your brain, accustomed to a constant stream of artificial, instant pleasure, starts losing sensitivity to the small, everyday joys of life. Simple pleasures like enjoying a good meal, engaging in a pleasant conversation, or even celebrating a personal achievement no longer bring the same emotional satisfaction. It's as if you're numbing your emotions, reducing your ability to experience life with intensity. Another crucial aspect is the decline in testosterone levels. Testosterone is vital for your energy, motivation, and mental clarity. Studies have shown that after 7 days of retention, testosterone levels can increase by up to 145%. Now imagine the impact this boost could have on your focus, energy, and ability to tackle challenges. However, frequent ejaculation does the opposite, draining your testosterone and leaving you feeling less motivated, less focused, and more prone to apathy and lack of drive. It's like trying to drive a powerful car with the gas tank always nearly empty. And it doesn't stop there. Excessive consumption of pornography, often linked with frequent masturbation, has a devastating effect on the brain. Porn-induced erectile dysfunction is a real and growing phenomenon. Our brains, rewired to respond to artificial stimuli like images and videos, begin to lose the ability to emotionally and sexually connect with real people. This doesn't just affect your sexual life, it alters your perception of human relationships. Overindulgence in masturbation can isolate you emotionally, hindering your ability to form deep and meaningful connection. Beyond the aspects we've already discussed, there is a direct impact on physical performance. Science has shown that semen retention can enhance the excitability of spinal cord reflexes, leading to increased agility and overall physical performance. On the other hand, frequent ejaculation has the opposite effect, reducing your responsiveness and hindering your performance in sports, at the gym, and even in daily activities. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. By wasting this vital energy, you're holding yourself back from reaching your full potential. But here's the most fascinating part: there is a way to reach climax without losing that energy. Ready to learn more? Semen retention is much more than just a physical practice. It's a journey toward rediscovering an internal power that many don't even realize they have. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits is the significant increase in energy levels. And when you choose to retain this vital energy, you are keeping within yourself a reservoir of strength that can be applied to various areas of your life. Imagine waking up each morning with a level of energy you haven't felt in years, with enough vitality to complete your tasks, chase your goals, and still have stamina for more. This energy comes not just from the physical aspect but also from a mind that becomes clearer and more focused. Moreover, semen retention has been linked to improved prostate health. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to ejaculate regularly to maintain a healthy prostate. In fact, by preserving your vital fluids, you ensure that these nutrients and energy are distributed throughout your body rather than being wasted. This creates an internal balance that promotes longevity and overall bodily function. And what about the intensity of orgasms? Many who practice retention report that by learning how to channel this energy, their orgasms become much more intense, encompassing the entire body and lasting longer than those that are limited to the fleeting pleasure of ejaculation. But perhaps the most profound benefit of all is the spiritual awakening. Sexual energy, when retained and consciously directed, becomes a powerful tool for spiritual growth. Many believe that this is the key to awakening the kundalini, the dormant energy that resides at the base of our spine, and when activated can elevate our consciousness to levels we've never experienced before. It's as if this energy, instead of being wasted, is redirected to nurture your dreams, your goals, and your spiritual evolution. And the most amazing part, this is just the beginning. The true potential of semen retention goes far beyond the physical, touching deeper aspects of your being. Would you like to know how? Let's explore the practices that make this possible. Sexual energy represents more than just the pursuit of pleasure. In various spiritual traditions, particularly Tantra and Taoism, it is recognized as a vital key to achieving enlightenment and inner awakening. By conserving this energy rather than wasting it, you have the chance to channel it towards spiritual growth. This allows your consciousness to ascend to new dimensions. A fundamental principle in these teachings is that sexual energy bridges both the physical and spiritual realms. It is a transformative force that can be harnessed into creative power, wisdom, and spiritual fulfillment. By preserving this energy, you essentially gather a powerful resource capable of activating the kundalini, the energetic serpent located at the base of your spine. So when awakened, it can offer profound insight, spiritual clarity, and a sense of connection to something far greater than yourself. But this isn't just theoretical. By mastering your sexual energy, you can use it to deepen your meditation, expand your awareness, and reach states of spiritual ecstasy that far surpass mere physical pleasure. Ancient texts like the Vijnana Tantra provide precise techniques for using this energy as a bridge to the divine. By keeping this energy within you and consciously allowing it to circulate throughout your body, you'll begin to experience an internal light that shines brighter, raising your vibration and enhancing your overall quality of life. Imagine the impact of channeling all that vital energy, which is often wasted, into nourishing not just your body but also your soul. And the most surprising thing is, this power is within your reach, waiting to be discovered. Up next, I'll guide you through how to achieve this. The practice of semen retention may seem challenging at first, but it's rooted in ancient techniques that have been used across spiritual traditions worldwide. One such technique is called ejaculation, which allows you to experience orgasm without the need to ejaculate. This not only conserves your vital energy but also enhances pleasure, leading to a whole-body sensation of ecstasy. This method, rooted in tantric and Taoist practices, requires conscious control of your breath and body, helping you to distribute this creative energy throughout your entire system instead of letting it escape. Before we continue, let me ask for a small favor. If you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow and bring even more relevant content to you. And if you're looking to deepen your journey of self-awareness, check out my ebook Divine Essence, Rediscovering the Inner Self and Spiritual Peace. The link is in the description. Your support truly makes a difference. To start, it's crucial that you focus on being fully present, using your breath to direct that energy from your pelvic area throughout your entire body. With dedication and practice, you'll gradually learn to control these impulses and keep that energy within you. One powerful technique is testicular breathing, a Taoist practice that teaches how to use breathing and visualization to move energy from the testicles through the body. This exercise, though simple, is incredibly effective. It involves taking a deep breath while imagining that sexual energy rises up your spine and circulates throughout your body. By doing this, you not only preserve your vital energy but also improve circulation, increase vitality, and enhance mental clarity. This practice acts like an internal energy pump that can be used to fuel your projects, aspirations, and spiritual growth. The best part is that you can incorporate it into your daily life, whether during moments of stress or as a regular self-care ritual. Additionally, sexual energy transmutation is a key tool for those looking to channel this force into different areas of their lives. Instead of giving in to desire, you can redirect that energy into exercise, creativity, or projects that demand focus and effort. By learning how to manage this energy, you become an endless fountain of creativity and productivity. Whether it's lifting weights, meditating, or diving into a new project, this energy can be the drive that propels you to new heights. Now that you know these practices, are you ready to put them into action and start transforming your life from within? Now here's something to ponder deeply. Have you ever considered that the environment around you might be designed to keep you drained, depleting your vital energy? Some believe there is a silent conspiracy at play. A system that constantly bombards us with sexual images and stimuli, encouraging immediate pleasure and making us reliant on quick hits of dopamine. The more you give in to those impulses, the easier it becomes to be controlled. A person without energy or vitality is far more susceptible, more likely to embrace distractions that pull them away from their true potential. The entertainment industry, pornography, and even certain social narratives seem to work together to keep us disconnected from our own inner power, diverting our attention from practices that could make us more aware, empowered, and awake. I think about this for a moment. Practicing semen retention in a world that constantly urges us to waste our vital energy is an act of true rebellion and self-empowerment. Are you ready to take control of your energy and free yourself from this invisible web? Now that you understand the profound impact semen retention can have on your life, I want to challenge you: 30 days without masturbation. That's right. For the next month, you will experience the incredible difference it makes to keep that vital energy within you. And I'm not just talking about an increase in physical energy, there is something far more significant at stake. As the weeks go by, you'll notice changes in your mood, mental clarity, decision-making abilities, and even in how you interact with the people around you. Each day that you resist the temptation will be a small victory that strengthens you, pushing you toward your highest potential. By channeling this energy into your projects, your work, your relationships, and your meditation practices, you'll find that your productivity, confidence, and personal power grow exponentially. During these 30 days, I recommend keeping a journal. Write down your experiences, how your body and mind respond, the transformations in your motivation, and even your dreams. Over time, you'll notice an increase in your intuitive abilities, your spiritual connection will deepen, and your personal magnetism will attract people and opportunities like never before. But remember, this challenge isn't about bragging for completing 30 days. It's not about the numbers, but about a meaningful shift in your life, a milestone that leads you to a new way of living. Are you ready to embark on this journey and witness the transformation? These 30 days are just the beginning. The real path is only just opening before you. We've reached a crucial point. The power has always been in your hands. With every decision, every choice you make, you are shaping the direction of your life. Each time you choose to retain your semen, you are choosing to empower your spirit, nourish your mind, and strengthen your body. It's not just about resisting an impulse, it's about understanding that this energy has the potential to fuel your creativity, increase your inner strength, and guide you on a path of spiritual ascension. Imagine what you could accomplish by using this force consciously, transforming it into the fuel that drives you to achieve your goals, dreams, and life purpose. By choosing retention, you choose growth. You choose to connect with your deepest essence and elevate your existence to a new level. Remember, every time you waste this energy, you are throwing away a part of your creative and spiritual power. However, each time you choose to retain and consciously channel this energy, you are opting for ascension instead of stagnation, creation instead of waste. The power to change, grow, and evolve is literally in your hands. The question is, what will you do with it? Will you continue to fuel habits that drain your energy, or will you transform this power into the force that drives your greatest dreams? So the choice is yours, but remember that every decision either nourishes your spirit or weakens it. So, what will you choose from today onward? Did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comments if this resonated with you about the power of semen retention and how it can transform your life. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts, and of course thank you so much for staying until the end. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you liked what you learned today, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any new content. And don't go just yet, because there's another video coming up that will help you dive even deeper into these topics. Click on the screen right now to watch it. Your growth and well-being are important, and we're here to support you every step of the way. See you next time.